Hey guys, it's Kimmy. How are you? What's up? What's up? Well, listen, I wanted to come today. I'm actually in my work shirt, but I'm about to change because I want to show you a find that I got on Amazon, and you're gonna love the colors of these t-shirts. It's an 8-pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-pack. Okay, and I'm gonna try these on for you. Look at those colors. Aren't they beautiful? So I'm going to try them on, and I'll show you my flowers today too, because people always say, how many flowers do you have? So I'm going to step out. I'll be right back. I'm going to try these on. Stand by. This 8-pack of shirts was $8, and I'm wearing a sports bra, so I can have my other bra for a little more lift. But my friend thought they might be kind of thin for her. Now, they are a little thin if you want to wear something underneath them. I think they're designed to be like a workout shirt, okay? But I love the color. This is the pink. And it is a little thin, but for me, I don't mind that little showing right there. Is that my hot mama in me or what? I don't know. But you get 6 of them for $40. And again, I don't really mind that because it feels so nice. And it's a lot of give and a lot of space. So let me try on the rest of the colors for you. So this is the pink. Stand by. Oh, look at that orange. Beautiful. Now, again, I need on my other bra for a little more lift. But I just want you to see these colors. Isn't that nice? I'm keeping these, y'all. Oh, that's beautiful. And again, it is a little thin, but it just depends on you. I feel comfortable enough to wear it as it is. I'm going to put the link in the description box. I want to show you the rest of them. I'll be back. Booyah! How about this purple, y'all? How about this purple? So you get all 6 of these shirts. All 6. I love them. I love them. 6 for like, I think it was $36. I'm going to put the link in the description box. Hold on, I'll be back. I got 3 more. I like these. Booyah, lime green. What? You can wear these with, so I am wearing some shorts, but you can put these on with your leggings, okay? Your blue jeans. I mean, you can really dress these tees up, okay? You can really dress them up. And y'all know I love me some color. The color is popping. Most of the reviews said they thought it was too thin, like you could see through. But again, is that my inner hooch? I don't know, but I like it. I really do. They feel so cute and comfortable. Hold on, I got 2 more. I'll be back. Don't leave. You ain't leaving, are you? I got 2 more shirts. Hold on. And it's funny. Oh, look at this orange, y'all. Go, Kimmy. Go, Kimmy. Go, Kimmy. And I put my orange flower. What? So it's funny because my friend bought these shirts. My friend's sister. And I had already been looking at them. But then I saw that she bought them. And I said, I wonder how does she like them. So I didn't want her to think I was stalking her, which I wasn't because I was already looking at them. And like I said, my friend read the reviews, my other friend, and she was like, I think they too thin for me. So this one, you see how you can kind of see my bra line? And I'm not even wearing my good bra. I got on my workout bra. Sports bra. So, but the colors are coloring, okay? The camera is just not doing this justice. The camera is not. But I got one more. I'll be back. What? The yellow, okay? The yellow is amazing. Again, the camera is not doing this justice. It's just not. It's just not. Everything you see here, you think these are cute, it's up a scale. It go up a notch. The lighting is still just not doing this justice. But they are beautiful. They are beautiful. Let me see if I turn the camera this way. Can you see it a little bit better? I don't think so. Did that make it a little brighter? So whatever you're seeing here, guys, they are a little bit brighter. So, I mean, if you're like me, kind of lazy in the clothes department sometimes, and I could buy 6 or something in a pack, and I actually like how they feel and stuff, booyah, and mix it up again with your shorts, blue jeans, your blue jean shorts, blue jean pants, your legging, regular shorts. I mean, you got a lot of different ways you could work out. My arms, okay? So I'm gonna just show y'all all of them one more time together. Stand by. Just in case you missed it, look at that, the rainbow of color. Aren't they pretty? Booyah. I love these shirts. So anyway, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. Check them out on Amazon. You get the whole pack. I ordered the 2X. Let me make sure, hold on. Yeah, these are the 2X. So I think they're kind of true to size. I got a little room in here. It's long enough, because sometimes you get t-shirts, they up to here. So I ordered the 2X, so you see what size might work better for you. Worst case, you can send them back if you don't like them. But I love them, I'm keeping them, and that's it. Your girl is out. Check out these beautiful shirts on Amazon. Bye. Let's go, Kimmi. It's summertime. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, I want to show y'all my flowers. Hold on. Bonus. I promise y'all I'll show y'all my flowers right quick. Because people always say, how many flowers do you have? Let me show y'all. Look at that. I got all colors, y'all. So imagine when I get ready to wear, look at that. Look at that. When I get ready to wear my t-shirts, I got a flower for every color. Ain't that gonna be pretty? Ain't that gonna be pretty? It's gonna be pretty. So like I said, now let me see in this light. Hold on, because I was in one light. Because are they too thin? Let me see. Again, for me, if I had to even put on something, because I'm in a different light. Sometimes you got to see stuff in a different light. Yeah, I could put on a thin cami if I had to. If I had to. Again, these are made like this. So if you do workout clothes, you know, even for regular, let me see. Yeah, I just love the color. I'm willing to do whatever I have to do to make this work. And that might mean putting on a thin cami. It might. I don't know. I don't know. And if I put on a cami, I wouldn't need a jacket. Because most of the time I go places I need a jacket. I'm so cold. So you see how you can't see. Uh-oh. That is kind of thin out the back. I don't know. I got to think about that. Because I just finished saying how much I love them. That's why you got to look at more than one light. I think for me, it's still a go. Because when I wear this kind of stuff, it's usually I'm just knocking about, you know, shopping really quick or something like that. So I'm trying to see, does that bother me? What you think? Does that bother you? Would that bother you? Tell me, so if I got to refund them, y'all, let me know. Because right now, I love these shirts. I love them. I don't know what I'm going to do. I got a dilemma. Because now that I'm looking in this light, I don't know. Is it too much? I don't know. I can't answer it right now. I'll have to tell y'all in a future video if I kept them or not. Because I just love them. I just love them. And I don't think I'm fazed by that. I don't think I'm fazed by that. So, you know, certain places I definitely would not wear them to. But I think overall, I think I'm keeping them. I love the colors. I really do. Oh, I gotta think about that now that I saw that back in the other light. Good thing I went to show y'all the flowers. All right, well, I'm gonna get out of here because I gotta think about this. I'll keep y'all posted in a future video if I kept them or not. And if you buy them, let me know if you think they're too thin. Because they're beautiful colors, y'all. These colors. I can't get past the color. I think I'm gonna keep them. I ain't that worried about what people saying. I'm really not. I mean, how many people gonna come up and say, you can see your bra? Or you can see your sports bra? Yeah, I don't think so. I think I'm keeping them. I'll keep y'all posted. Okay, until next time. Bye. Oh, the link will be in the description box because I think some of y'all gonna agree with me. Gonna give it a try. Bye.